How to cancel subscription in Hellofresh. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can cancel your subscription on Hellofresh. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget you're going to be able to find hellofresh.com website and sign up links in the description of this video. So first of all, I want to show you how it works, because this is not like a subscription that you can cancel. I mean, this is a plan that you have paid, and probably you have the option to postpone some of these meals to some other weeks if you want. So you must pick a plan. I'm gonna show you this in a minute. You're gonna get your delivery, you're gonna cook, and then you can recycle your box. This is how it works. So they're gonna find you and send you some recipes, so you're gonna be able to cook with your family and enjoy without the problem about what do you want to eat and that conversation that perhaps is going. I want to show you that if I want to pick a plan, I have different options here, your preferences. So if just veggie, or to feed and wholesome, or if I want to make a quick cooker and easy, or pescatarian. I mean, there are a lot of options, and here you're gonna choose the number of people that you're gonna cook for, and also the meals per week, as I told you. So let's suppose I'm gonna receive this twice per week, and this is just gonna be for 2 people. So in advance you're gonna be paying for this, okay? And once you pay for it, you're gonna receive your 2 meals in this week. I also wanted to show you that if you want to change your plan or meal preferences, yeah, we know life is full of surprises, they say. If you need more or fewer meals, or want to see different options from week to week, simply update your meal quantity and menu preferences in your account settings. In this video, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be able to show you that, because you must to click on your account, now go into account settings, and there you're gonna be able to find those options. As I told you, I have not subscribed into hellofresh.com, but probably this is going to be appearing here below. Connect to Facebook. There is going to be a square where you can set up your meals and your deliveries. Okay, that's how it works. And there you're going to be able to cancel your subscription, but as I told you, you're going to be paying your subscription in advance, so you're not going to receive that money into your account. You just have to use these HelloFresh boxes and finish the plan that you were already using. And that's how it works. That's how you can cancel a subscription on hellofresh.com. Thanks for watching.